Yo, hello guys and welcome back again to a brand new video. In today's tutorial, I will show you how to double rank up in Valorant. So instead of let me just show you an example. So let me just go to my career and here, for example, instead of getting from a rank to another, for example, I got 26. Um, right points or rank points. So instead of getting only these ranks points, you can get even more or higher. So this all depends actually on your KDA and on win rate. So how you can actually get the double. When you first create your account, make sure that you have really a good amount of KDA. So for example, for me here, I have really terrible KDA. So AC16, sometimes I have like really good one, sometimes I have a really bad one. So as you can see here, 31, here 8, 33, for example. It depends on the mood and on the day. So basically, for you, in order to get the best points that you can get in the ranking, you will need to have a high average combat. So for example, here I'm having like average combat score, which is 200. You will have to have like around 300, 400 per game. The second thing, you will need to play with the duo that has a really high rank than you. For example, I am Bronze 2. I should start playing with someone with this one who got like Platinum 1. Now, other thing that you need to do is actually don't get reported a lot. So when you play, just try to not get reported. Try to get the much MVPs that you can get, and just like so, with playing much more games, even day by day, you will see that your KDA or your points are getting higher and higher. So as you can see here, I got 26, here I got 23, and what's the difference between these two? This one I got the 1175 KDA, and this one I got 2020 17 and 4 KDA with a much MVP and much higher score as you saw here. So yeah guys, that's how you can double rank in Valorant. Thanks a lot for watching and see you in the next tutorial.